In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pepperstone cTrader. Whether you're brand new or moving from another platform, by the end, you'll feel confident navigating, placing trades, and managing positions smoothly. First, open cTrader on desktop, web, or mobile, and choose your Pepperstone cTrader account. Log in with your cTrader ID or email and your password. Once you're in, your trading account loads automatically, so you're ready to go without any extra setup. Let's get familiar with the layout. On the left is the watch list, where you'll see instruments like EURUSD or XAUUSD. The center is your chart area, showing live price movement. Along the bottom, the trade panel displays your open positions, orders, and account history. On the right, the order panel is where you'll place trades. This layout is designed so you can scan markets, analyze, and execute without jumping between screens. To add and analyze a chart, simply double-click a symbol from the watch list. The chart opens instantly. You can switch timeframes from minutes to daily views to suit your strategy. If you want to analyze momentum or trends, add indicators like RSI, moving average, or MACD. For visual planning, use drawing tools to mark trend lines and support or resistance. cTrader's charting is fast and precise, so take a moment to customize it to your style. When you're ready to place a market order, select a pair such as EURUSD, choose buy or sell, set your volume or lot size, and define a stop loss and take profit. These levels help control risk and lock in potential gains. Click Confirm, and your position appears in the bottom panel with all the details. If you need speed, enable one-click trading from the top corner. After it's on, a single click buys or sells immediately without a confirmation box. This is great for fast markets, but use it carefully since there's no second chance to review before execution. You can set stop loss and take profit in two ways. Add them before placing the trade, or adjust them directly on the chart by dragging the SL and TP lines. Visual adjustments make it easy to refine levels as price action evolves. To modify a position, right-click it and choose Modify to change volume, SL, or TP. To close, click the X on the position. You can also close part of a trade if your strategy calls for scaling out. Finally, check the History tab to review closed trades, profit and loss, and performance stats. Use this to learn from your activity and refine your approach over time.